What is going on, guys? Your shredded brother from another mother, and we got the balloon method ab workout in today's video. Now, two huge problems with everybody's ab training. Number one is you're doing a half-assed ab workout at the very end of your workout, and you're not even doing weighted abdominal training. Now remember, your abs are a muscle. So guess what? We're gonna utilize a balloon method to hit all three phases of hypertrophy in today's video, because you have your upper abs, you have your middle abs, you have your lower abs. Everybody's trying to get those V lines. You have your external obliques. These are a muscle, guys, and you gotta be in a caloric surplus. You gotta be creating healthy micro tears. Now, the problem with most guys' ab training also is you're not doing weighted abdominal exercises. So I'm gonna show you a few of my favorite weighted abdominal exercises. If you're in a caloric surplus right now, guess what? You're in the best state possible to get those blocky, invisible abs, because like I said, you have to be in a caloric surplus to build muscle mass. So don't wait until shredding season to start training your abs. Start hitting your abs right now while you're doing a little lean bulk, a little caloric surplus. And then when you actually cut down and lose some body fat, your abs are gonna pop and look so much better. So let's get into the workout. Exercise number one is my favorite abdominal exercise of all time. Shout out to the homie Greg Plitt. This was his go-to. I got this from his members area back in 2014. It's been a staple in my routine ever since. The weighted cocoons, we're gonna implement an anabolic drop set into this exercise. Now, with this one, really focus on getting a full stretch and then crunching in, slow and controlled. You're hitting your external obliques. You're really hitting every single section of your abdominals, but on that full stretch, as you crunch back in, you're really gonna feel it in your lower abdominals. In fact, it is one of my favorite exercises. If you guys want those awesome V-lines, you want those lower abdominals, doing this exercise is going to help you guys so much. So you wanna go 8 to 10 reps until failure, because remember, it's an anabolic drop set. So we're going 8 to 10 reps until failure, and then you're going to immediately drop the weight by 30 to 40%. You're gonna do another 8 to 10 reps until failure. So I think in the video, I went from using a 60-pound easy bar to about a 40-pound easy bar. And your hands are gonna be right around, right outside, slightly outside shoulder width apart. And once again, go slow and controlled on these abdominal movements. Really challenge yourself to get a mind-muscle connection, because by the end of like your first anabolic drop set on this, you should really feel those abdominal muscles working. You should feel those healthy micro tears. And we are ready for exercise number two. Exercise number two, we are getting into air sprints. Now, I want to show you guys an advanced and a beginner variation. I know everyone who watches this channel is probably at a different fitness level. So the beginner variation is basically going to be what I would call a classic air sprint. Now we're gonna be implementing T45 with this, which means we wanna challenge ourselves to go 45 seconds time under tension. Now, with the advanced variation, so you guys saw the air sprints, you're gonna hold yourself up. Your wrists are gonna be like, think about just like running on like an invisible treadmill. And as you do that, you're gonna feel your obliques really engage. You're gonna feel your rectus abdominis. It's an incredible exercise. And if you can go a full 45 seconds time under tension, you definitely have a really strong core. Now, the advanced variation is very hard because there is going to be a little bit of upper body pull strength involved. So you're going to be slowly ascending up, and think about like slowly climbing a staircase. So you see in the video, I'm slowly ascending up, I'm slowly ascending down. And the reason why we're doing this is it's going to challenge our core to keep our body stable as we go up and we go down with our legs. So this is a very challenging movement. If you guys are advanced, I challenge you to try to go 45 seconds time under tension with this. Remember, going 2 total sets, 45-second rest time, 45 seconds time under tension. Exercise number 3. Now, I guess the starting position is like the seated butterfly position. I was gonna call this a frog crunch. So let me know in the comments below if you want this to be called a frog crunch or a butterfly crunch. But nonetheless, this is an amazing exercise to really work the upper abdominals. Now, you're gonna find it's very challenging doing a sit-up in that position. So you're gonna be doing that butterfly position, and it's really challenging to go up. So you're basically going to have your arms together. You're gonna basically go through your legs, and you are gonna wanna go 45 seconds time under tension on this exercise. Now, once again, 45 seconds doesn't sound like a lot of time to do this. It is. In fact, a lot of people that I've challenged to do this exercise have only been able to do 15 or 20 seconds. So let me know in the comments below also, you know, how you like doing these exercises. Are you able to do them? I know, you know, you probably see the video, you maybe try to do them that day at the gym. So, you know, comment below. I really want to get you guys feedback on what your current fitness level is. So let me know after you go through this entire ab workout how it goes. And let's get into exercise number 4. Exercise number 4 is something called the XOV crunch. Now, at the very starting position, your arms and your legs are going to be split. So I want you to think of the starting position, you're forming an X. Now you're crunching in on step 2 of the movement where your body is forming an O. And then you're going back to the starting position. And then the step 3 of the movement is you're actually forming a V through your body. So that's why we call it the XOV crunch. Now, the reason why we're doing so many different little tweaks and movements and variations is because you actually target every single muscle in your abdominals doing this exercise. So it's incredible. You're getting full stretch, full range of motion. A good rule of thumb is anytime you're working a muscle, also stretch that muscle, especially between points of being fatigued. So with this one, once again, we're going T45, 2 total sets. This is a great finisher, and if you find it too challenging, I would move this exercise almost to the first exercise of the workout, because to go a full 45 seconds time under tension on this is going to be really challenging, I think, for most of you. So once again, you know, make sure you guys let me know in the comments below how you're able to do these exercises, and congratulations if you've got to this point. You have finished the balloon method ab workout. Thank you guys so much for watching today's balloon method workout. If you guys have not seen any of the other balloon method workouts, I'm going to link to those in the description below. I made an entire playlist with every single balloon method workout, with every single muscle group. And we are only, how many days? 7 days away from Swolemas. So we got a lot more episodes coming your way. So make sure you guys do me a favor, tap that notification bell right next to the subscribe button. Give this video a big like. Let me know in the comments below what balloon method muscle group you want me to cover next. And I will see you guys on the video tomorrow.